When we're saying Ummi, 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 and then some people come and say, unlettered Prophet of God. Oh, be careful in your understanding. Ummi, for the one who has ulum al-awwaleen wa akhirin, and that the holy soul of Prophet is Lahul Mahfuz. All the paradises and heavens are in the light of Sayyidina Muhammad. All knowledges, all fountains, all realities are flowing through Prophet. Ummi means that the alif and the mim, there's nobody in between. And Allah wants to clarify that this mim is taught by one very powerful, the creator of all the universes is teaching Sayyidina Muhammad the reality unimaginable.